Now let us see example 7.26. Aral has to make arrangements for the accommodation of 150 persons for his family function. For this purpose, he plans to build a tent which is in the shape of cylinder surrounded by a cone. Each person occupies 4 square meter of the space on ground and 40 cubic meter of air to breathe. What should be the height of the conical part of the tent if the height of cylindrical part is 8 meters? So in our question what they have given, one conical tent. Okay, so that is in the shape of a cylinder and is surrounded by a cone shape. So when you look at this diagram, you know that this is the cone shape. So this is the cylindrical part. So here in this circle part only they will sit. Okay, so how many persons they need to sit? 150 persons. Okay, so after in our question they have given each person occupies 4 square meters, so one person needed 4 square meter. Okay, so the area only they have given. Okay, so one person needed 4 square meter means totally how many persons they need to sit? 150 persons. So here one person needed 4 square meter mean 150 person needed how much square meter? How will you find out? You have to multiply and find out. So after this area, that is circle part, so area of the circle, that is pi r square formula, I know that. So pi r square is equal to 150 into 4. So totally 150 person, one person needed 4 square meters. So both one is equal. Okay, so pi r square is equal to 150 into 4 if you multiply. So both one is equal. So the next one, here they have given and 40 cubic meter of air to breathe. So cubic meter of air to breathe mean that is the volume only. Okay, so this is area, this is volume they have given. So one person needed how much cubic meter? 40 cubic meter. Okay, so one person needed 40 cubic meter. Okay, so after here totally 150 persons, so one person needed 40 cubic meter means 150 person needed how much volume? So we need to find out. So 150 you have to multiply with the 40. So here in our question they have asked to find out what should be the height of the conical part. So we need to find out this height, not a slant height, this height not. So height of the this part. Okay, so this much. So height of the conical part we need to find out, and then height of the cylindrical part they have given. So this much separately they have given, that is 8 meter. So both one is height only, so we will confused. So we have to take this one as a height 1, so this one as a height 2 totally. Okay, so this is full height. So in our question they have given this height of the cylindrical part they have given, that you can consider as a height 1. Height 1 is equal to 8 meter, and this part, this much, that is the height of the conical part, that one only we need to find out. So that you can consider as a height 2. Okay, so here we have to write, let height 1 and height 2 be the height of the cylindrical and cone respectively. Okay, so height 1 and height 2. So height 1 be the height of the cylinder and height 2 be the height of the cone respectively. So already I said in this conical part, this circle area only they will sit. Okay, so totally how many persons? 150 person they need 150 persons they need to sit. So in our question, one person occupies how much area they have given. So one person needed 4 square meters. So we need to find out 150 persons means how much area needed. Okay, so you have to write area for one person, that is 4 square meter. Total number of persons how much? How many persons? 150. So total base area, so base area means nothing but that is circle part only. Okay, so here both one you have to multiply. One person needed 4 square meters, so 150 person needed how much area means both one you have to multiply. Already I said this equal to this, how many persons they can sit, this totally how much area needed. So 600 square meter needed. Okay, so here this both one is equal or not? Yes, it is equal only, because this area of the circle, the formula is pi r square is equal to totally 150 persons how much area needed we have find out. So both one is equal. Okay, so pi r square is equal to 600, that you can consider as equation 1. Next, already in our question they have given one person needed the volume they have given. Okay, so one person required the volume how much? 40 cubic meter, but we know that totally 150 persons, so we have to multiply. Okay, so one person needed 40 cubic meter of volume means totally 150 persons needed how much cubic meter of volume. Okay, so now here to write volume of air required for one person is equal to 40 meter cube. Total volume of air required for 150 persons. So both one you have to multiply. So one person they have given 150 persons we need to find out means we have to multiply both one. Okay, so 150 into 40 is equal to 6000 meter cube. Now here in our question they have asked to find out height. Height only we need to find out. Height of the conical part. This height 2 only we have to find out. So how we can find out now? We know that volume also we know that. Surface area also we know that. Suppose volume we have to find out. Total volume if you want to find out means how will you find out? So here this volume separately plus this volume because this is the combined solid. Okay, so cone shape combined with the cylinder shape. So this is combined solid. Then volume how will you find out? So this volume of cylinder plus volume of the cone, both one if we add it only we can get it, so that total volume. But volume we know that volume already we found it how much? 6000 meter cube. So after using that one we are going to find out the height of the cone. Okay, so now we have to write total volume of the air required for 150 persons. We know that 6000 total volume. We know that volume if you know means that means this plus this one. Okay, so that volume we know that 6000, but we need to find out height means same that formula you can use it. So which one add it mean that volume is 6000 meter cube. Volume of the cylinder plus volume of the cone. So that volume totally if you add it only that volume is 6000. Okay, so now here volume of the if you want means you have to write volume of the cylinder plus volume of the cone is equal to 6000 meter cube. Okay, so here volume of the cylinder formula, what is it? Pi r square. Volume of the cylinder height we have taken as the h1. So pi r square h1 plus the next one volume of the cone. Okay, so that height we have taken as a h2. So volume of the cone formula I know that 1 by 3 pi r square height, but that height we have taken as a h2. So both one if you add it only this volume. Okay, so we know that volume already we know that. So we have to find out height. So that's why we have written this formula, this equal to this one. Okay, so now already I said this both one if any other thing common means, if anything common means you can take it outside. So here pi r square you have, here also pi r square you have. So can you make it outside? Pi r square. So inside h1 plus 1 by 3 into h2 is equal to 6000. Now you know that pi r square already, so that base area, so already pi r square you know that 600. Okay, so area you know that pi r square is equal to 600. So that can you apply here? So that already we have taken as a equation 1. Okay, so that equation 1 you can substitute here. So pi r square instead of we can substitute 600 into h1. Already in our question they have given h1 is equal to 8 meter. Okay, so then I have to apply h1 instead of 8 plus 1 by 3. H2 we don't know, so that h2 only we need to find out the height of the cone we need to find out equal to 6000. Now this 600 can you make it to can you bring it to the right side? So this multiplication, so while you are bringing to that side, so it will become division. So you have to write 8 plus 1 by 3 into h2 is equal to 6000. It will become the division. Okay, so while you are bringing to this side, so right hand side, so that is 600. So that you can cancel it, 2 zeros you can cancel it. After 6 and 60 if you cancel it mean 10 it will come. Okay, so now 8 plus 1 by 3 into h2 is equal to 10. 1 by 3 into h2 is equal to 10. This plus 8 if you bring it to the right hand side, so that is minus 8. Now 1 by 3 into h2 is equal to 10 minus 8, that is 2. Then h2 is equal to this also multiplication part, because that is the fraction part. So while I are transposing to that side, so it will become the reciprocal. So 1 by 3 while I are transposing to the right hand side, it will become 3 by 1. So 3 by 1 means you know that is 3 only. So you have to write h2 is equal to 2 into 3. So h2 is equal to 6 meter. Okay, so the height of the conical tent is 6 meter. Okay, so in our question, this first you have to, one person needed, how much area they have given. So we need to find out 150 persons how much area needed. Okay, so which two things here are equal. So I know that this area only they can sit, that is area of the circle. So a circle formula I know that pi r square, that is equal to 4 into 1 person needed for 4 square meter, totally 150 person mean 4 into 150. So 5r square is equal to 4 into 150, both one is equal. Okay, so this base area is equal to how many persons multiply, then both one is equal, that you can put it as a equation 1. Next one person needed volume they have given, that is 40 cubic meter. Totally how much person? 150%. So total volume, so you have to multiply. Now the total volume also we know that. Using this volume we are going to find out the height of the cone. So that means this volume means what is it? Already we know that volume of the combined solid. How we can find out this? Separately, individual solid only we have to add it. Okay, so volume of the cylinder plus volume of the cone, so both one add it only, that is 6000 meter cube. So that formula you have to apply, then you will get the answer, height of the cone. Okay, thank you.